Okay, it is August 31st, 2024, and we're just going to check the BRIX today. Sadie, what do you think? How are the grapes looking? All right, let's do a quick walkthrough here. You can see we got good separation, and we'll be checking the BRIX today. Last time we checked, they were 18, and our target is around 23 for rosé, maybe 22, 23 for rosé, and for Sangio, we're looking for 24, 25 maybe. There's our temperature. A lot of focus there. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good. I see a lot of purple. And what I like about this year is I did a lot of thinning, so I don't have crowding, which is good. All right, so there it is. We'll run our BRIX today. Ooh, this is a good spot to stop, right about here. Whoa, look at that. All right. Hope everybody has a great harvest this year. Looking forward to it. We're out of here at Sorelle.